Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the critical process of deburring and cleaning port walls and corners. The goal is simple: remove leftover burrs, sharp edges, and casting debris to ensure maximum airflow. Even small imperfections can cause significant flow disruptions, especially in tight transitions. Selecting the right tool is vital. For tight areas, we rely on smaller or pointed carbide burrs. These pointed tools allow us to reach deep into corners where traditional tools might skip or chatter. Steady pressure and a high-speed tool are your best friends here. You want to shave, not gouge. Work along the port walls with light, consistent strokes to level the surface. Pay close attention to the transitions. This is where the air speeds are highest. Corners are notorious for catching debris. Use the tip of your burr to surgically clean these spots. Always clear your work area frequently to see exactly what metal is remaining. And remember, metal slivers are dangerous. Eye protection and gloves are non-negotiable. Hold the grinder like a large pencil for maximum control in those delicate corners. The difference is clear. A clean port translates directly to better engine performance. Use your sense of touch. If it feels sharp to your finger, it's a disruption to the air. Consistency across all ports is key. You want every cylinder breathing exactly the same. Follow up your carbide work with a fine sanding roll to blend everything together. Smooth walls encourage laminar flow, which fills the combustion chamber more efficiently. Don't get carried away. Removing too much material can actually hurt your velocity. Always protect your valve seats. One slip with a carbide burr can ruin a head. The prep work you do now pays off in horsepower and reliability later. So, right tools, steady hands, and constant inspection. That's how you master port cleaning. Take pride in the details. These corners and walls are the heart of your engine's breath. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into engine tech. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and start porting. We'll see you in the next one.